So from your audience dashboard, you want to click on the drop down menu on the left that says audience, which will then open up your audience menu. You want to click on view contacts, and the third one along will say add contacts. Important contacts is the second option, and you want to give it a click, and it gives you two options here. So you can upload a file, CSV or TXT, or you can copy and paste straight from a spreadsheet or wherever you have it written down. We're going to take a look at upload file because copy and paste is as it sounds. You open up the file where all the names, addresses and information is, you copy it, you paste it in here. Uploading a file requires you to have a CSV or TXT file, which are usually spreadsheet types, so we'll click continue to upload. If you click on browse, that will then open up usually your desktop, and we've got one here that says shopper subs. As you can see, it's a CSV file, and I think this only has 5 contacts on it. Click on upload, click continue to organize. Choose the audience you wish them to be a part of and their status. Choose any groups that you want them to be part of, and as you can see here, update any existing contacts. So that's a good one to check just in case any of them are already members. Continue to tag, and here's where it allows you to add any tags that you have created directly to them, which is handy, so you can instantly start targeting them with appropriate email campaigns. Click continue to match. 6 contacts were recognised. It might ask you to select the field for the column, which is fine. Click finalise import. 6 contacts will be updated or added, it says here. We've chosen no groups, no tags. It's going to update the existing contacts. We wanted them subscribed and it's come from a file. So complete import. We've updated 6 contacts in your company news audience, which is great. You can start a campaign from here straight away, or you can view those contacts that we've added. So that was important contacts. If we exit and come back, what you will see is you're back here and you've got your audience members, but we want to head back to the audience dashboard. And here's the main feed, and we click the right hand side drop down menu here, and the bottom option is view audiences. This will allow you to see any audience that you've created in Mailchimp, and Mailchimp will recommend you just have one audience. Sometimes more than one is handy, but if you find the need to combine 2, if you're doing a cross promotion offer more frequently, or there's been more crossovers with promotions that makes it handier to organise them, you might want to combine 2 audiences, which is what we're going to do here. So we're just going to choose company news, and over in the right drop down menu, you see at the bottom, you can replicate the audience. If you want to combine this while keeping the original audience, I would recommend replicating it first so that you've got a copy of the original one. Combine audiences at the bottom, we're going to give it a click, and you choose here which audience you want to combine it with, and we're going to go with sign up form, and put subscribers into sign up form groups. We're just going to leave the groups out at the moment, but if you want to organise them straight into groups, that's fine. We'll click next. Before you combine audiences, when you combine them, you'll lose some data, so you can download any of the GDPR forms here, and if you use them, it is going to tell you not to combine them, but for this purpose we will. So you just type in the box confirm, combine the audiences, and that's it. So 992 subscribers are queued to be combined into sign up form. So that was the way that you import your contacts and how you combine 2 audiences, which can be quite handy, as I said, if you have maybe legacy audiences and you want to just combine it all into, say, an audience called legacy from previous years. If you've got these split up into maybe 2021, 2020, 2019, if you're just dealing with this year's mainly and you want all the other ones just collated into one big audience of legacy, that's a great option to organise your audience. So there is quite a wait, obviously, for 992 subscribers to be combined, but yeah, that's pretty much it.